We are pleased to show you the 2007 G6, a great-looking sedan with the personality of a sports car. The Pontiac G6 incorporates fine-tuned independent suspension, 219 horsepower V6, and 4-speed automatic transmission with driver shift control. Boasting an EPA estimated 33 miles per gallon highway, the G6 is a stylish, fuel-efficient sedan that doesn't sacrifice amazing performance and is priced below $5,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, remote engine start, air conditioning, driver airbag, cruise control, rear defroster, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, passenger airbag, fog lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.